Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make something move by itself. So first you can go to event and use the when flag click. So the next we set for the sprite position, go to motion and I will use go to X. Like we can set for the position to minus 220. And if you play to be moved to this position, the next to move by itself we can use the glide tools. You can click here, glide, and then for seconds here, distance in X I will set into 160, and if you play to get we move to 160. So if you want to move automatically, you can use the control and we can use the forever. Can play. So the sprite will be moved by itself. To make slow, you can change in glide here. Like I will set into 3. So move very slow for the sprite. So that's it for basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial. How to move by itself.